Are these the ultimate hypebeast headphones, or do they come second place to the king and queen of MPC headphones, the Apple AirPod Maxes? Okay, so over the last few years, there's been a weird trend to show off headphones, whether it's in public, at school, on TikTok, even on the internet. It's almost like headphones are a new accessory to your daily wardrobe. Well, Stussy decided to help the cause with releasing their own pair of headphones. Some call them hypebeast headphones, but Stussy calls them the Studio Beats Pro by Stussy. This is the unboxing gadget, and today we're going to dive into unboxing these so-called hypebeast headphones to see if they live up to the hype. Alright, quick disclaimer. Now these headphones are sold out, but I was fortunate enough to get a pair on release day. And to be 100% honest, these are my second pair of Beats, after originally having the Beats Studio by Dr. Dre. Those really big headphones that came out a long time ago. I don't know if you guys remember those, but they released in 2008 and they were amazing. I had those headphones and thought I was like a DJ or something. I thought I was so cool with those huge headphones. But either way, it's 2024 and these are the Beats Studio. Now, if I remember correctly, there's been a vast amount of different, collaborations with Beats. You got, of course, the Stussy Beats Studio Pros, Mo Walla Beats, Fragment Design, Girls Don't Cry, Wacko Maria, Melody Asani. I didn't know she had hers. Short, Daily Paper, not sure who that is. Carbon and Frost. Stussy had the Beats Pill, got the NBA, Mad Happy Union. See, there's been tons of collaborations with Beats, so I'm glad Stussy finally got a pair of headphones with their branding on it. Alright, enough talking. Let's get this thing unboxed. Alright, I'm hoping that Stussy gives us some stickers, some branding. Now, I do see a sticker, love stickers, and it's a Stussy sticker, so we'll definitely be keeping that. So off rip, I see we have instruction booklet, instruction guides, which is pretty cool. I always love that. Alright, before we move on, I do see a pretty cool quote in the back. Stussy quote, have a good vibe. That's pretty cool. They included that in the back of the box, pretty cool. But besides that, just a normal cardboard box, nothing else. Okay, so the case. Now, I don't have the original Studios, but I'm assuming it comes with the same case, but it doesn't have the Stussy branding on it. So these have the Stussy branding plus. Now, taking it outside the case, so far I'm thoroughly impressed with the headphones. I love the cream ear cuffs, which is a nice touch. It's not too crazy as far as hypebeast. It's not too flashy. I like the little Stussy part on the top. It's very minimal as far as the Stussy logo, which I do like. You have the Stussy logo on the inside of the ear cuff, nice and subtle. I love that. But besides that, it's not too bad. I feel like actually anybody could wear these without, saying I'm wearing Stussy or saying I'm wearing Supreme, anything like that. These are pretty low key. So huge plus in my book for that. I like kind of how they kept it low key. All right, so we'll see what else we got in the case. We have a USB-C charger. Okay, glad they included that. And then I think all we have left is the audio cord. So I think with these headphones you can do lossless and plug these in and get clearer sound. But I'm more of a wireless guy myself, so I won't be using that. Either way, that's it. Now I was hoping the Stussy included a custom Stussy headphones in my setup, but looks like it's just a normal black and white one, which I'm kind of disappointed. But either way, it's able to pair. Nothing else different here really. I think everything's the same setup. But kind of a letdown. Wish they would included, my cream ear cuffs on my Stussy logo, but whatever. Before we check out the sound, let's dive into the settings and see what's popping. Alright, so we got noise canceling, transparency mode, and we even have the spatial audio with these headphones, which is pretty cool. So it should sound pretty good and have that head tracking. But let's check it out. Alright, I'm gonna get this thing set up on my head here. My head's medium size, so I gotta adjust the straps accordingly. Alright, here it is. We might be home from the fam, you with a gorgeous pair. Out, doctor store, financial. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, these sound pretty good. I got a bunch of dollars I ain't spending there on. Okay, here I am. Okay. Alright, yeah, these sound pretty good. Can't lie. Now, I do have my old Bose headphones, and I want to do a quick comparison just to see if the bass is heavier, weaker, the sound's a little bit clearer. We're gonna see how that goes. Okay, so I got my Bose on. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so I got my final thoughts. So, yeah, the Beat Studio Pros, yeah, they sound good. They sound pretty good. They're nice bass heavy headphones. Now, I'm not huge on listening to like classical music, stuff like that. I'm more of an R&B, hip hop type of vibe, but if that's the vibe you own, I think these are a major purchase. So I do like the sound, I can't lie. So, all right. And to sum everything up, we went through unboxing the headphones. We did a quick sound check. We did a quick comparison of my old Bose headphones. And even without the Stussy branding, I think these headphones are pretty good. They sound pretty good. Noise canceling is pretty top notch. I think these stack up pretty well in the headphone market. And honestly, they feel pretty good. Now, I haven't tried out the Apple AirPod Maxes to see how they feel in the head, but these feel pretty comfortable. So all in all, I think this is a good purchase. Either way, this was the unboxing gadget. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.